Earlier, I made a video about the famous dead cat bounce. Well, a few days ago, we saw something similar. We witnessed one of the scariest liquidity grabs in crypto history. Unfortunately, crypto is still highly sensitive to negative news. Hopefully, this will change over time. Alright, time to reveal the warning signals I spotted. Are you ready? These signals helped me to take profits right on time. I hope my signals will inspire you to use them next time. Last time I ignored one of those signals, and I paid heavily for my mistake. That mistake taught me to trust my trading rules and never let emotions take over again. First signal. Only trade when the 2-day stochastic RSI indicator is oversold, but that does not mean you need to wait for it to cross, especially if the 1-day, 12-hour, and 6-hour have already made their cross. Second signal. A bearish divergence on the 12-hour stochastic RSI usually plays out, and the same applies to bullish divergences. But keep in mind, staying safe often means skipping a few extra gains. Third signal. If the 1-day and 2-day stochastic RSI on the Tether dominance chart are heavily oversold, expect crypto to move down. And when the 12-hour and 1-day stochastic RSI are overbought, you might want to look for other confirmation signals, because a crypto buying opportunity will be near. Fourth signal. A long divergence on the weekly Bitcoin chart, confirmed by a 3-top structure, signals a serious warning. And on the 1-day Bitcoin chart, we saw that the relative strength index was almost overbought. Combined with a tight Bollinger Band, it was a strong hint that the market was setting up for a liquidity grab. Fifth signal. Liquidity building on the downside across crypto charts is a reliable warning for what might come next, and based on this screenshot, we are not out of the woods yet. Leverage might seem tempting, but remember, market makers hate sharing their profits. So be smart and avoid using it. I truly hope these signals will help you next time. Because I know how painful it is to get liquidated. 3 years ago, I lost big time by putting all my money into one coin, a mistake I will never forget. If you are short on time or still learning to read charts with confidence, my Patreon Signal membership might be just what you need. The monthly fee is just $99, and the video pop-up at the end will guide you through all the details. Now tell me, which of these 5 signals have you already used? And do you have another useful signal that helped you avoid getting wrecked? Comment your thoughts below. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell, because I post 2 tutorials like this every week. Follow me on X for daily free crypto news updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Because in my next tutorial, I will share more ways to master crypto trading.